Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change your execution policies in Windows. The reason why we need to change your execution policies is because if you download an external library from a non-Microsoft website, for some reason Windows is able to keep track of where the file came from and tries to block it. For instance, here I have a file downloaded, a library downloaded called the PSCX library. You can find that online. Windows tries to block it because it believes that it might be a virus, or it might be a harmful script in there or something. So obviously we have to unblock this, but that's not our issue right now. We are going to go ahead and open up PowerShell as administrator. Make sure you are running as an admin, otherwise when time comes to set the policy, you will run into an error if you're not set as an admin. So first let's get the list to see who has the permission and who doesn't have the permission. In order to get the list, we type get-execution-policy-list, and if you type a couple of words and afterwards you just press the tab, it will auto-complete it for you. As you could see, this is the scope and this right here is the execution policies. For now, all of them are set to undefined. The two main ones that you're going to need is the current user and the local machine. The local machine is very useful if you're always working on one machine all the time. If you set it once, you never have to worry about it ever again in your life. The current user might become handy when you are always changing from one machine to another machine. So let's go ahead and change the local machine ones. So we type set-execution policy space unrestricted, and by default we didn't specify a scope, but by default it will change the one for the local machine. So right now, when you press enter, Windows asks you this question to make sure you are aware of what you're changing, because it's a registry component. You say yes, and let's take a look at the list again to see if it actually worked, and it did. The local machine was set to undefined before, and now it is changed. Now let's say we want to change it for a specific scope. In order to do that, we type set-execution-policy-scope. This gives us a handle on all these guys over here. So right now we could type current user, or we could type process, or we could type machine. Let's see, we're only going to change for the current user, dash execution policy, and just write unrestricted. Enter again, yes, and let's take a look at the list again. As you could see, this command right here worked perfectly fine because we were able to change it from undefined for the current user to unrestricted. In the upcoming videos, I'll actually show you why this is handy, where it becomes very handy when you're installing a script, a library on your machine. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a nice day.